Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. We are officially on day 10 of my 25 days of Christmas gifts for him series. Guys, this has been so much fun. I am excited that we are officially 10 days in. We still have 15 days to go. But if this is your first time checking out this channel, make sure you guys are giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're also pressing that subscribe button and hitting the bell because you do not want to miss the next 15 days. And guys, go back and see the other 9 videos. Every day I'm giving you all a different brand or product that I'm highlighting that I truly believe would be perfect for the guys in your life. Today I decided to go tech again, and that's because there are just so many different things that have made such a big impact on my day-to-day life that I feel like they'd be the perfect gift for the guys in your life, or anyone if I'm being honest. Today is all about the Remarkable. If you guys haven't heard of the Remarkable, this is the perfect thing for students, businessmen, content creators, or anyone who just likes to jot things down. I got this because I am a huge notepad user. I am always scribbling things down, and with my content creation, I always need paper. But I got tired of always having to find pens and pencils and keeping up with my notebooks and the lack of organization in my notebooks that I went with the Remarkable. I also went with the Remarkable because this is by far the simplest device that you will ever find. The idea of the Remarkable is for you to work and not have any distractions on it. This device only allows for you to write, type, read, plan, and so many other things, but there is no internet connection beyond just Wi-Fi so that you can sync it with your other devices. You cannot put any apps on here or anything. This is meant for pure work, and that's why I feel this is a game changer. So let's talk about the Remarkable. This is a 10.3-inch screen that comes with 2 types of stylus that you can choose from. The one that has the eraser on the end so that you can use it like a pencil, and the cheaper one which just is the stylus that doesn't allow for you to have the eraser, but you don't need it because you're able to choose the editing eraser for it. Though this is tablet-like, this isn't a tablet at all. You do not have access to any type of apps or online besides what I said earlier. With the Remarkable, you have multiple different ways of taking notes, even mean using lined paper, so you're able to really feel like that you're writing on a sheet of notebook paper. But there's also blank pages, so you're able to draw, so that you're able to sketch, as well as just jot down notes. There are hundreds of built-in templates inside of the Remarkable that is meant for you to be able to make whatever you need for your business needs, your content creation needs, or just your day-to-day usage of it. It is supposed to get rid of the complete need of any kind of paper whatsoever. There are so many options on here. Like I said, you have the blank page that allow for you to just write directly on it. So the lined paper, simulating the use of an actual paper. But what I really love about this stylus is that it actually has it so that you feel and sound like you're using an actual pencil on top of this. Even though you're writing on a tablet, you get to feel like you're writing on normal paper, and that's something only the Remarkable gives in their technology. Able to also download PDFs on here, so notes are being able to be taken on PDFs, on PowerPoints. You're able to share anything that you do on here with other people and with other devices. You're also able to email anything that you do on these devices to anyone you want. I sign my contracts and documents and everything else off of this device and send it right out. You don't have to download documents anymore and print them out, then sign them, and then scan them or take a picture or send them off. You're now able to do it all from one document. This 8GB tablet is by far the best thing that has come out. If you're a person who's looking for something simplistic and wanting it to help you minimalize all of the paper usage that you're doing on your day-to-day life. You're also able to create an infinite amount of files so that you're able to organize all your notes, all your documents. I have everything that I do built in here. All of my information for my business is in here. Every script that I make for my videos, any contracts that I have, all my invoices that I have for all of my business deals are right in here. And I can just keep updating them. At any time I need access to everything on here, it's all on my computer. It syncs automatically to my computer and to my phone, so I have access to it all. And that also allows for me to simultaneously download anything that I need, any documents I need. The touch accuracy on the Remarkable is by far one of the best. You really get to see that your strides with the pencil goes perfectly. Due to its simplicity, there's no real lag inside the device itself. Not to mention, because of the vast use of the Remarkable, you have people making new templates all the time. Guys, this means you're able to get new planners that are interactive. That in itself is worth it. When you can pull up a planner right on your screen and you're able to tap on it and open it up and have notes added to it, that was a game changer for me as well. I like the idea that I can really put my entire brain into this tablet, and one, not run out of memory, two, it reflects what I want to say, what I'm thinking, and what I'm doing at that moment. Did I also mention that this is huge in the artistic world too? So many artists are using this for their sketching, which I find to be amazing, and you see this with their customization of their Remarkable. Now, I will say the Remarkable does have a high-end tag on it at $299.99. And you have to also add on if you decide to upgrade to the erasable stylus, which also costs a little extra. With the stylus, you're also getting multiple tips because these do wear down. And as they wear down, you're given 9 extra tips that slide in and out as you go through them. I am pretty heavy-handed when I write, so I am going through them kind of quickly. However, they do allow for you to buy more off of Amazon if you don't want to go through Remarkable, and you are able to change up the Remarkable stylus if you want to. You don't have to use their branded one. There are specific ones that are on websites, as in Amazon, that has different stylus that look like pencils and pens if you want a more professional look over just using the simple stylus. When I tell you I have not purchased a notebook in forever, and I even have the Coach notebook, which I really honestly stopped using because this is all I needed, that's what I mean. I stand behind this product, and I think any guy who is doing any type of business, creative ventures, have any interest in writing or anything like that, that they're looking for something other than paper, or they're looking for a way to focus their mind somewhere, the Remarkable is the way to go. But I want to know what you all think. Is this overkill? I really want to know, because for me this was a game changer, but for some they might think that this is nothing more than just a huge paperweight of literal paper. So I want to know what you all think. Is this worth the $299.99? Is this something that you all believe that other guys would want? Because I honestly think that I'll never go back to normal paper after this. This will always be how I work. But I want to know your opinion on it, alright guys? But that's all I have for you all today. Make sure you're giving this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you liked the Remarkable, go back and see the other 9 videos. My 25-day series is meant for me to highlight so many different brands for you all and products, and give you great ideas even for your stocking stuffers, alright? So go back, check them out. Make sure you all are subscribed to this channel and hitting that bell, because you don't want to miss the next 15 videos. It's gonna be too much fun. We're enjoying this way too much. Alright guys? So as always, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays.